Hey y'all, welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. I got a special video for you guys today. This is Scott from Steak Ager. You might remember a video that I did a while back on the Steak Ager. It's basically how to dry age or how to...
Dry age beef at home.
There you go, dry age beef at home. And Scott reached out to me recently because he has a new grill out there, and this is called the Wildfire 4-in-1.
You bet.
Well, he's going to show us what it's all about, and I'm excited about it.
Hey everybody, I'm Scott. We're introducing people to our Kickstarter campaign, which is Wildfire 4-in-1. It's on Kickstarter right now. And we want the opportunity to tell our story. So at Steak Ager, we build appliances for dry aging beef at home. And then once we've got this beef beautifully dry aged, well, we knew we needed a way to cook it. We wanted high temperature. We wanted to be able to sear it at commercial temperatures like a salamander in a restaurant to get the crispy crusts. And this is what we developed, which is a Wildfire 4-in-1, which is, as it says, it's got a zone underneath where you can reach 1200 degrees Fahrenheit for searing and finishing. It's got a traditional grilling zone, a Santa Maria or an asado style grill up here, which you can elevate. And it's also got a warming space up here so you can get your sauces going when you fire up the system. And that's what we're going to do here today. Introduce Jaxx and the family and team to what we do and how we do it, because it's a lot of fun. So how does a Wildfire work? What's different? What's different from everything else in the market? Well, the cool thing about a Wildfire is the charcoal lives above the cooking zone, which has never been done before. So up top here we have a regular traditional grill that if you add the door, it becomes like a Weber Smoky. You cut the airflow down, you can do low, you can do slow. We can, with some accessories, do a low and slow smoke all day long if you'd like. But how the Wildfire works is the charcoal sits on a screen just like this. And this is a very special screen engineered to hold the charcoal but allow air to pass through. So when we pressurize this, the lid with a blower fan, what it does is pushes air through the charcoal, and we'll get 1100 degree temperatures down here for searing, finishing. So you get amazing restaurant quality food and flexibility to cook at different elevations, different temperatures, all at once, and finish food all at once, which more or less replaces different appliances on your patio or your deck or wherever else you're using it. So this is what we call the wild zone, which is 1200 degrees and it's hot. Traditional grill here. We can spin this around. This is the asado style grill, so we can be grilling here, grilling here. We can adjust this up and down. Or we can be putting sauces up top, right here. And we can be prepping sauces while we're cooking underneath. So pizza appetizers, chicken wings, things like that can be searing underneath. We can be prepping sauces, moving them over, and beginning to cook other dishes up top and move back and forth between the zones. And the cool thing about this, at the end of the cycle, you've got infrared heat under here, not just convection, so you can be searing underneath, cooking here, all at once. So the veg, whatever you're cooking, it's balanced across all the entire platform. That's what we do as a Wildfire. So what we do, again, is we suspend the charcoal above the lowest cooking zone, the wild zone, and we have a fan that pressurizes, a blower fan that pressurizes the upper cavity. It lives at the back here. You can adjust it up and down, and it forces cubic feet per minute of air into this upper section, forces it through the charcoal, and it uses the principles of a forge. So a forge, charcoal will get to 2300, roughly 2300 degrees Fahrenheit with air pushed through it. This is how the Romans made swords. It's a forge. And we use the principles of a forge to superheat air, which creates convection flow forced by the blower through the unit to give us 1200 degrees down here. And the minute we turn the blower off, it reverses and turns into a regular grill. So the convection air now moves up. What happens later in the cycle is we have infrared cooking underneath, and then we have regular grilling up top, and then we have the different surfaces and different temperatures to take advantage of. That's the principle of the Wildfire, which is pretty cool.
All right, Scott, so we have pretty much covered everything. We've done pizza.
Yep.
We've done boudin. We've done deer sausage.
Yep, it was awesome. Deer was the best. The boudin was better.
They were both pretty good, weren't they? We even did barbecued shrimp.
That was amazing.
Oh, and we did shoulder tender.
Yes.
Which I think we
Never
showed
had
that
that.
as well.
That was a first.
Yeah, that was really good. I think we pretty much got it all down, I think. But what we didn't talk about is this contraption right here.
Yes.
I think you called it the Roam rig.
It is, yeah.
Now, this is going to be part of the...
Well, it's an accessory you can buy, because the basic Wildfire you can use at home on a stand, and this is a base station. So the side tables, the storing space for the pizza stones, that's what we call a base station, and it can be mounted to a stand in your cantina or your patio or deck at home, or you can mount it on the back of your car, take it to the tailgate.
I like it.
You just pick it up, move it. Good. 40 pounds here, 10 pounds here, move it wherever you're going.
I got
Camping, doesn't matter. And the umbrella.
Oh, yeah, the umbrella. You guys got to see this.
We like tailgating.
So, I don't know if we talked about this earlier, but these aren't necessarily, this is not available right now. It is, you can go, it's a Kickstarter campaign.
It is. We're in Kickstarter. We want everybody to please come visit us on Kickstarter, wildfire4in1.com. We're based in Boone, North Carolina. We build this all at home. So we're kickstarting a new manufacturing company in the grill space, doing it our way. We think it's a better way, and we know you're going to enjoy it. So please jump in, join us on our adventure. Are you in?
Yes, I'm in. And look, I appreciate you coming for the visit.
Yes.
And
Thanks for
enjoy
having
the
us.
beach and enjoy this
Day
great
off
company
tomorrow.
we got. We got a whole crew back here, guys.
Thanks, everyone.
Hey, wait.
Thanks, Russ.
Russ, do you want to get in my video?
Can I bring my beer?
You
Oh,
bring
yeah.
your beer.
Look what we found.
Yeah, look who decided to show up.
Had to.
Thanks for coming.
Had to check it out. Tell you what, man, that is ingenious. When I seen that in action while you was doing that pizza, he was grilling direct like you normally would 1 minute, and a second later the heat's coming out of the bottom, not out of the top. I could see it with my own eyes. Very, very impressive.
Thank you, sir.
Nothing like seeing it with your own eyes.
Well, let's tell the rest of the world
Yeah.
about
So
it.
do you know the end of what any of my videos do?
Fire it up.
The Wildfire 4-in-1 grill. Do
Do
it.